Welcome back everyone. Today we have an epic build that powers up your gaming experience without breaking the bank. So grab your snacks, sit back and let's dive into the heart of this budget gaming beast. We have the Gigabyte B760M gaming AC motherboard. This little powerhouse is the backbone of our system, providing a solid foundation for our gaming adventures. For the brain, we chose Intel's 12th Gen i7-12700F. With its impressive performance and multitasking capabilities, and an even more impressive average CPU mark score of 30,886, this CPU is ready to handle everything you throw at it, from intense gaming sessions to content creation. For storage, we have 500 GB of WD Blue SSD on board. Say goodbye to those agonizing load times and hello to the speed boost your games have been waiting for. To keep things running smoothly, we paired it with the T-Force Vulcan Z RAM, 16GB of pure gaming goodness, ensuring your games load faster than ever and multitasking is a breeze. Speaking of keeping things cool, we've got the Antec A400i CPU cooler in the mix. This cooler ensures your CPU stays frosty even under heavy loads, while also adding a touch of RGB to this rig. Our build is housed in the Antec AX20, a sleek and compact case that not only looks great but also provides excellent airflow to keep your components cool during those heated gaming sessions. Powering this budget beast is the PM650D ATX power supply, a reliable source of power to keep your components juiced up and ready to unleash their full potential. The heart of our graphical prowess is the Inno3D RTX 3060. This budget-friendly GPU punches above its weight and has proved its worth by scoring a whopping 21847 points on average 3D mark. And that's it everyone, the Kuro Gaming budget build is complete and ready to blow your mind. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more epic builds and ring that notification bell to stay updated. May your frame rates be high and your temperatures low. Until next time, happy gaming.